Suzuki Connect helps you connect to your car seamlessly. Suzuki Connect helps you connect to your car by providing a wealth of features and information that enhance your on-road experience. From your vehicle's maintenance to helping you drive better and even save fuel, Suzuki Connect will ensure that you and your car become a part of a better connected world. Volvo unveils car concept that drives itself when driver is asleep. Swedish luxury vehicle company Volvo on Wednesday unveiled a self-driving car concept called 360C, which the company claims can drive itself on its own when the driver is asleep in the car. The car comes with a modular interior, which can be converted into workspace with full connectivity. Volvo is aiming to release the car by 2021. BMW unveils self-driving motorcycle concept. BMW has unveiled a self-driving bike concept that not only drives on its own but can also start off, lean into turns and deploys the kickstand without human intervention. Based on BMW R 1200 GS bike, the concept is a test bed for improving rider safety. It will help BMW bikes determine if a situation is dangerous in the future. Volkswagen to stop making its iconic Beetle cars in 2019. Volkswagen is ending worldwide production of its iconic Beetle, with the last car to be made in Mexico in July 2019. Designed in 1930s, the model's popularity prompted the German automaker to build its first factory in North America in the 1960s. On being asked about plans for a next-generation version, Volkswagen US CEO Henrik Wobkin said, "Never say never." Toyota to make Suzuki cars at Bengaluru plant. Reports Toyota has reportedly agreed to produce Suzuki's cars to utilize the idle capacity at its second factory on the outskirts of Bengaluru. Senior executives of both the automakers have visited each other's factories in the recent past. Reports said executives from Toyota also visited plants of some of Suzuki's major suppliers in India for quality checks. Reports added.